Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to take a quick tutorial on how to use AI to produce a track, and then you can go on to release it. So first of all, you would have to head over to Sono.ai, which is a website for generating AI tracks, and you can then proceed to extract your vocals and then build your own instrumental around the vocals you extract. This particular song is an Afrobeat, so I had to build my instrument to suit the vocals. This is the initial song I generated from them. When you go to the website, they have a section where you enter a prompt, which gives you the AI's understanding of your prompt. So based on what I keyed in, there's what I had.
Heart crack wide open, keep falling in. Day turns to night, pain sinking in. Thought it was love, but it's just the same. Never thought I'd lose my best friend.
Alright, so that's what Sono.ai gave me. I then proceeded to extract the stems from the sample, so I don't need any other instruments or drums or bass. All I needed was the vocal, so I just had to extract that. And there are various other options you could use. For example, there is Lalau.ai. So this the vocal I had from the extraction process.
Heart crack wide open, keep falling in. Day turns to night, pain sinking in. Thought it was love, but it's just the same. Never thought I'd lose my best friend.
First of all, let's listen to the whole track and then we can do the breakdown.
Heart crack wide open, keep falling in. Day turns to night, pain sinking in. Thought it was love, but it's just the same. Never thought I'd lose my best friend. Dreams of shining tears on my face. Memories scattered in this empty space. You still hold me, now it's all a mess. Can't find my way in this loneliness. Can't breathe, can't sleep without you, babe. Heartache runs deep in my veins. Lost in this beat, can't escape. Lost in her and nothing me insane. Pictures of.
That's just a snippet of how the whole track sounds like. So if you would want to listen further, I'll leave a link to the song in the description. So first of all, I had to build the beats around the vocals, the extracted vocals. So I first had to put this guitar down. So from there, I had my intro ready, which sounds like this.
Heart crack wide open, keep falling in. Day turns to night, pain sinking in. Thought it was love, but it's just the same. Never thought I'd lose my best friend.
So for the intro, I opted for something very catchy, at the same time simple. So if you could hear clearly, it was only the guitar. I only had the guitar on the intro. Going to the first verse, the guitar was taken out and I had this.
Dreams of shining tears on my face. Memories scattered in this empty space. You still hold me, now it's all a mess. Can't find my way in this loneliness. Can't breathe, can't sleep.
And that's how it sounds like. So these are the main driving elements in the song. This road right here and then the guitar. These are the two driving elements. Let's move to the drums. So the drum sounds like this. So basically that's the whole drums. Yeah, that's basically this whole song. So I had a few drops here and there. When you get to the middle part of the song, I introduced some other percussions. I think it sounded like this. For the whole drums, it sounded like this. The bass sounded like this. Finally, I added a piano and then a muted trumpet at the chorus. I just wanted to emphasize on that part, so I added these two elements. So let's take a listen. If you would want to check out the full track, I'll leave a link in the description. So I would want to play all the elements together, just the chorus. So this is how it sounds like.
Whispers and shadows where love used to be, lost in the rhythm of your memory. Trying to move on, but the pain holds tight. Heavens we had turned into rust. Whispers and shadows where love used to be, lost in the rhythm of your memory. Trying to move on, but the pain holds tight. Every song's a reminder of our last fight.
Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you really enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave a like.